I'm about to quickly walk you through an AI reminder flow that can increase your show up rates by up to 87%. So let's get right into it without wasting any time. I'm going to screen share and show you how you can build this for yourself. One quick thing, you will need a tool called Nova Echo CRM, which I will show you how to get access to at the end of this video, but I encourage you to watch the flow so you can see exactly how it works before checking out that tool for yourself. So within Nova Flow and Nova Echo CRM, we built an automation that has a trigger of appointment being booked for a sales meeting. Okay. Then what we're going to do is we're going to move them to a stage in the pipeline. That's going to trigger other automations, which I can talk about in another video. We're then going to remove them from the auto reschedule lead follow-up, because if they had no showed before and we're automatically following up with them with other automations, which I can also show in another video, then we want to remove them from that workflow. So we're not following up with them while also following up with them in a different workflow, because we don't want to double that up. Next, we have the confirmation email. Okay, so in here, we're basically saying, hey, your appointment's booked for this, 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 and here's the Zoom links that you can join. You could also replace that with Google Meet or whatever else you use. Then 24 hours before the appointment, we're going to send them another email. Okay, this is just a friendly reminder that your appointment is in 24 hours. When it's time, please use the Zoom ID. Okay, so again, simple. You're going to throw your Zoom in there or your Google Meet or whatever else. 1 hour before, we're going to use Nova Echo AI to call that lead. This is the most powerful part because people appreciate a call. And if somebody answers your call and says yes on that call, they're way more likely to show up to that full meeting, right? Whatever you want to call it. So once you call somebody using this AI technology, first of all, most of them are not even going to know that it is AI because it sounds so real. And they're going to talk to it. It will ask them a few questions to qualify them even further. It may answer some questions before they hop on the meeting with you guys. That way, you can have a quicker and more efficient meeting. And then once that whole process is done, it's going to say like, hey, just confirming you will be able to make our call in about an hour, right? And they're going to say yes. And then it's going to be like, okay, great. I'll see you then. And if they say no, then it can actually trigger another automation that can try to reschedule with them. That way, they're not just left not showing up to the call. Okay, so this can be used to either confirm the call and make it more likely that they show, and or reschedule them for another time when they actually can show. So it kind of has two benefits there. And you don't have to have it answer and ask questions before you go into that confirmation phase, but that's what we typically like to do. Then another email 1 hour before, and this again reminds them, just says, hey, just a friendly reminder that your appointment is in 1 hour. We also shoot them a text at this point, similar thing, just saying, hey, just letting you know your appointment is going to be in 1 hour. Here's the link to join. 5 minutes before, we send them another text and another email. With this workflow, people are going to be getting text and calls consistently before the meeting. This will give them, again, opportunities to reschedule. It will make sure that they remember when the meeting is. It will make them more likely to come because you actually care. And it will make sure they know where to go because you keep sending the link to join from. Because some people will want to join, but they literally can't even figure out how. But if you send it to their inbox 5 times, it's going to be pretty easy. So sometimes simple is better. This is not a super complex flow. We've built much more complex flows in the past, but this works well. And especially with this AI calling portion, you are going to have very, very good results. So if you want to get access to Nova Echo CRM and Nova Echo AI so that you can build this technology, there'll be a link in the description below to actually book a call with our team. And we'll be able to show you a full demo of everything this technology can do. We will show you how it can be used in your business and, of course, answer any of your questions and show you how to get started. So regardless, have an amazing rest of your day, and thank you for watching.